Welcome to Earth Glimpse. Today, we'll take a look at the 5 most powerful and devastating earthquakes that have occurred over the past 5 years. These disasters shook not only the Earth's crust, but also deeply affected the lives of millions. If you're ready, let's explore these massive earthquakes that shook the world. 5th place, Turkey Izmir earthquake. On 30th October 2020, a magnitude 7.0 earthquake struck the Aegean Sea, affecting both Turkey and Greece. The city of Izmir in Turkey suffered the most significant damage. At least 116 people were killed in Turkey, over 1,000 were injured, and numerous buildings collapsed. The earthquake also triggered a small tsunami, causing additional damage in coastal areas. The event underscored the seismic risks in the Aegean region and the importance of earthquake preparedness. 4th place, Indonesia Sulawesi earthquake, 15th January 2021. In January 2021, a magnitude 6.2 earthquake struck the island of Sulawesi in Indonesia. The quake caused significant damage in the city of Mamuju and surrounding areas. At least 105 people were killed. Over 3,000 were injured, and thousands were displaced. Hospitals, homes, and public buildings were severely damaged or destroyed. The disaster highlighted the ongoing vulnerability of Indonesia to seismic events and the need for improved infrastructure resilience. 3rd place, Japan Noto Peninsula earthquake, 1st January 2024. On New Year's Day 2024, a powerful 7.5 magnitude earthquake struck the Noto Peninsula in Japan. The quake caused significant damage in Ishikawa Prefecture and surrounding areas. At least 570 people were confirmed dead. Thousands were injured, and extensive damage was reported to homes and infrastructure. The earthquake also triggered landslides, complicating rescue efforts. Japan's advanced disaster preparedness and early warning systems were credited with reducing the potential loss of life, demonstrating the effectiveness of proactive measures. 2nd place, Afghanistan Herat earthquake, 7th October 2023. The western Afghan city of Herat was struck by a devastating earthquake. Although the magnitude was recorded at 6.3, moderate by surface standards, the impact was far more destructive. The reason? The quake struck at a very shallow depth, dramatically amplifying its effects on the surface. Approximately 2,500 lives were lost. Tens of thousands were left homeless, and rescue teams struggled for days to reach the affected areas. Aftershocks continued almost daily, keeping the region in a constant state of fear and panic. Entire villages collapsed, schools crumbled, and countless lives were buried under the rubble. This disaster laid bare the devastating human cost of an earthquake that shook more than just the ground. 1st place, Turkey and Syria Kahramanmaraş earthquakes, 6th February 2023. 2 massive earthquakes, measuring 7.8 and 7.5 in magnitude, struck southeastern Turkey and northern Syria. The quakes caused unprecedented destruction across a vast region. Over 62,000 people lost their lives, hundreds of thousands were injured, and millions were displaced. Entire cities were reduced to rubble, and infrastructure was severely damaged. The scale of the disaster prompted a global humanitarian response, highlighting the importance of building resilience in earthquake-prone regions. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. I'd love to have you with us for the next stories we'll be sharing. Take care, and see you in the next video.